Adita Cuisine. Wide variety of recipes. Recipe Thursday 3 January 2013. Luxury twisted roller kings. Mother dough ingredients. Flour 150 grams of force. 100 milliliters of warm milk. 12.5 grams of yeast. A teaspoon of sugar. Ingredients: Roskin ground. Flour 650 grams of force. 100 milliliters whole milk Tipir. 25 grams of fresh yeast. 3 eggs. 100 grams of buttercream. 30 milliliters essence of orange blossom. 2 tablespoons rum. 250 grams of sugar. Zest of 2 oranges and an orange and a lemon. Half a teaspoon of salt. Ingredients: varnishing and decorate. 2 eggs. 1 tablespoon of milk. A tablespoon of water. 100 grams of sugar. Candied fruits, slivered almonds or chopped. Hands. In a bowl, put under the lukewarm milk and yeast, along with a teaspoon of sugar, add the flour and mix well. Make a ball and cut with a knife that you either make a cross on the top and left in the bowl of warm water. It will go to the bottom, but when firm and floating in about 10 minutes and may be used. We weigh that flour and sift. Wash the oranges well with a nail brush to have in the kitchen just for this, so a clean skin of waxes that give them to make them shine. With micro flat graters looks good, only grate the orange as you see what is left clean orange. Cut fruits for decoration. Roskin prepare mass. Put in warm milk and yeast with a fork. 3. Beat eggs with sugar, rum, essence of orange blossom, orange zest, cream and butter. I put in the bread, milk with yeast. I added the bowl with the eggs and other ingredients. I've missed the sourdough well drained of water and I left 7 minutes kneading. Southeast has Roskin sifted flour with the salt and knead 10 minutes left. You can also knead by hand. To do this without the bread, put it in a large bowl and add all the flour liquid. Mix with your hands, and then pour it on the bench and knead it. He leaves in a bowl until doubled in volume, covered with plastic wrap smeared in oil, and is poured over a cotton cloth. With hands dipped in oil is removed from the bowl and is divided into 2. To make 2 roscons, knead each ball a little more, and making a hole in the center and with both hands in the air spinning shape is achieved. We left on the tray in a worn place on tracing paper, and covered with a cotton cloth, until doubled in volume. In an hour or so, this is the time when he puts the film wrapped surprise. To decorate, beat 2 eggs with a tablespoon of milk. Moisten the sugar a bit. Decorate with slivered almonds, sugar and candied fruit. Work this dough is a bit softer than the other Roskin that I got the other day, but with hands dipped in oil handled well. We in the oven preheated to 190 degrees and to set past 8 minutes at 170 degrees about 20 minutes and is done. I bake with the fan in the corner and I put a metal container with water. Let cool on a rack. If I can say that is the best I've eaten Roskin in my life, and I've eaten a lot. They are very fluffy and very rich in flavor. Hope you like it, kisses. You'll have a good day. Adita.